How to custom Xiaomi HyperOS 3 to iOS 26 liquid glass style. Depth effect wallpaper with 3D effect. Lock screen control center. Swipe up to next settings. New control center with transparent effect. Xiaomi HyperOS 3. Open Theme app. Search to install. NKO lamp. Select English version. Download and apply. You can apply default Xiaomi icon. You need reboot device to active new control center. Add Xiaomi share and hotspot toggles. Lock screen custom double tap. Theme default wallpapers. I will create my wallpaper with this image. Install Photoroom app to remove image background. Select transparent, then export. Need to image like this to active depth effect wallpaper. Open Theme app, customize theme screen. Lock style then custom. Import images. Lower background import original image. Upper background import remove background image. Active your own wallpaper. Change home screen wallpaper. Completed custom. Thanks for watching video.